Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are having a great time with your family. So, here I am again to continue our lesson of English grammar, lesson 3, A and the. As in my previous video, I have already discussed about the use of a and in detail. Now, let's have a quick revision. A is used before a consonant. An is used before a vowel. And today we shall discuss about the use of the in this video. So, the is used before something that is definite. Okay, now I have an exercise to check whether you are clear with a and or not. Look at the sentences and fill in the blanks with a and. She is dash girl. G is a consonant. So what we will use here? A. She is a girl. Look at the second sentence. Rohan has dash new laptop. N is a consonant. So what we will use here? A. Rohan has a new laptop. Now look at the third sentence. John has bought dash white color car for me. W is a consonant. So what we will write here? A. John has bought a white color car for me. Next sentence. Can I get dash glass of water? G is a consonant. So what we will write here? A. Can I get a glass of water? Now look at the next sentence. Pinky will take dash hour to complete this work. I have already told you in my previous video, R is an exceptional word which is starting with a consonant but H is silent and we use and with it. So, Pinky will take an hour to complete this work. She has never seen dash aeroplane. A is a vowel. So what we will write here? With vowel we use an. She has never seen an aeroplane. My grandma has dash empty box. E is a vowel. So what you will write in the dash? My grandma has an empty box. William is dash intelligent boy. I is a vowel. So what you will write? An. William is an intelligent boy. Now let's discuss about the use of article the. When we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing, we use the. Like if I say Priya, Taj Mahal, or if I particularly talk about my dog, any dog can be there, but if I specifically talk about my dog, then we will speak the with it. Similarly, look at the first picture. What is this? A parrot. Second picture, what is this? A girl. And what can you see in the third picture? Some dogs. So, a parrot. But if I particularly say about the parrot, then I can say the parrot in the cage. Now, if I talk about this girl, what we will say? Which girl? The girl in the red frog. Yes. Next, which dogs? The dogs barking at the road. Now look at these three sentences. I went to a market. We use a because M is a consonant. I went to a market. She saw an owl. Jia has bought a pen. A and A. We have used according to the consonant or a vowel here. Here market, owl, pen are very common. It can be any pen, any owl, any market. So we also use the when we specifically talk about something again and again. Like which market? The market is close to my house. We are talking about the market which is close to my house. So we have used the market. Which owl? The owl was sitting on the tree. We are talking about specifically about the owl which is sitting on the tree. Jia has bought a pen. Which pen? The pen is red in color. She has bought a pen which is red in color. We also use the before things that are unique like the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. The is used because these are unique and no alternative is there for them. Now let's use these words in the form of sentences. We get heat and light from the sun. The is written with sun. I thought that the moon was shining. The moon. Along with moon we have written the. The is used before the words written here. The earth is made up of land and water. The earth. What do you see in the sky? We use the with these words. The moon, the sun, the earth, the sky. All these words are used along with the. The is also used before the name of rivers, oceans, mountains, deserts, famous books, famous buildings, etc. Like the Sahara Desert, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the Holy Book of Gita. Now let's again use these words in the form of sentences. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert. The Sahara Desert. We use the here. The Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marbles. My grandpa is reading the holy book of Gita. The holy book of Gita. We use the. The Sahara Desert, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal, the holy book. And along with any book name we use the. We don't use the before the name of a person. Like we never say the Priya, the Shivam. We don't use the before the name of a material like the gold, the silver, the iron. We don't use the before the name of a relation. Like we never say the uncle. The uncle is calling me. We say uncle is calling me. The father, the sister. We never use the along with these words. We don't use the before the name of a language like the Hindi, the English, etc. Along with the name of a place, the Delhi, the Punjab. We never say the Delhi. We say Delhi. We don't use the before the name of a flower like the lotus, the rose, etc. This was all about the use of a and the. Now let's quickly revise a and the in the form of paragraph. Look at this paragraph. I brought a loaf of bread. L is a consonant. So we have written a before it. And a bottle of flavored milk for my lunch. A again we have written here because B is a consonant. A bottle of flavored milk. I also wanted to have an apple. A is a vowel. So we have written an. A for apple and we have written and here. O orange, we have written an along with it. And a tomato. T is a consonant, so a tomato. But I forgot to bring along a knife. K is a consonant, so a knife, and a can opener. C is a consonant, so we have written A there. So I ate only the apple, the orange, and the tomato for lunch. When these words are used again in the same paragraph, we will use the. I told you before, when we use the same noun again and again, we use the along with it. So, keep revising the lesson A and the, and here comes your homework. Complete page number 13 and 14 in your textbook, Grammar with a Smile, after referring the given assignment, which I will be posting along with the video. Keep revising the lesson we have discussed of A and the, and complete the worksheet posted along with the video on an A4 size sheet neatly. These are the pages you have to complete in your book. And this is the worksheet which I have posted along. Complete this on an A4 size sheet. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.